Hey everybody, day 5 with the RPM system. I wanted to wish everybody a happy Merry Christmas Eve and wanted to give a quick update to the results that I received while I was sleeping last night. I finally made some money following the training of this free system, so here it is. Alright, I made $3.36. Might not seem like a lot, but that just shows you that this system works, and with a little bit of time and patience scaling, I can expect to see a lot more. So join the RPM system, check out the link in the description, and share your results as well. Thank you, and Merry Christmas.